This is Manny from Trask. This is Jesse James 22 ST. We're doing a crank up build from a 117 to a 128 and installing a turbo kit and a swing arm. I'm about to start tearing this thing down and then we'll catch up with you when it's done. Just took this motor all the way down, cleaned up the cases, cleaned out all the threads, installed the new piston jets. I installed the S&S crank. I'm gonna seal it up right now and then I'm gonna put it back in the bike and then we'll catch up with you right after. These two. Bingo. Was she at the bar? We just finished installing the 128 S&S kit and now we're gonna button up the top end. We're gonna start on the turbo. The turbo that we're using is Stage 2 Assassin kit. It's our top of the line kit and it should complement this 128 very well. And we'll check back with you once we got that installed. Good old Jack. I got it right there. This one, it can be thumbs. Oh, no way. All right, we got the motor all buttoned up. We got the turbo on. Now we're gonna work on the swing arm and the primary. We're just waiting on the chain kit. Well, we did the 128 crank up with the S&S crank, the pistons and cylinders. We did the oil pump and cam plate. We did the lifter tappets. Then we started on the turbo. We put the Assassin Stage 2 turbo. Now we're working on the swing arm. Ready? Make this. Today? Oh, nice. Like he was getting interviewed by, I was like, that's when I knew that chow dude, is that what you gonna do? Just got done buttoning up the primary. What we did to the primary, we like to beef it up a little bit since he's going to have the 128 and the turbo. So what we did is a S&S comp ramp. We did our clutch basket with DP plates and our power plate. And then we also did a Screaming Eagle manual chain adjuster that should keep it from moving, and it should keep the chain tension set all the time. This will help with the amount of power that this thing's gonna have now. After the shakedown miles, we're gonna throw it in a dyno and see how much power this thing makes.
What's up guys, it's Landon here at Trask. We're here with Jesse James's Lowrider ST. Manny just got done putting this S&S 128 kit in it with the new Fueling 487 cam. Got done doing some baseline runs, made 171 horse, 173 torque. We're gonna keep cranking on this thing and see what kind of power we can get out of it with our Thundermax and our Assassin turbo kit. So it's been a few weeks since we were last on the dyno with Jesse's bike here. We're now in a new building. We have our 128 with our S&S 550 cam and our Trask Assassin turbo kit. On 8 pounds of boost, we got 175 horse, 175 torque. We pumped up the boost a little bit, put a little more fuel in it. Got 209 and 192 foot-pounds in it. That's about where he wanted to be. So we left it there, and now we're gonna be taking out the Texas for him and dropping it off.